So, your garden went wild this year. You've got a mountain of gorgeous ruby red tomatoes on your counter, and you can practically hear the clock ticking before they go bad. This brings every gardener to the same crucial crossroad. Do you freeze them or do you can them? You'll have friends who swear that freezing is faster and a whole lot easier, while your grandma might insist on the time-honored tradition of canning. Welcome. Let's reframe this. That pile of tomatoes on your counter isn't a ticking time bomb of chores. It's a treasure chest of future meals. For years, I've done both in my own kitchen, and I can tell you right now, there's no single best way. But there is a best way for you. Today, we're going to settle the great tomato debate for your household. First, we'll jump into the fast and furious method, freezing. Let's kick things off with what is, by a long shot, the simplest and quickest way to save your tomato harvest: freezing. Here's how it works. The cold temperature simply hits pause, stopping the enzymes and bacteria that cause spoilage. The trade-off? Texture. Wash and dry. Give your tomatoes a good rinse under cool water to get any garden dirt off. Then, and this is important, dry them completely. This helps prevent a layer of ice from forming on the outside. Core the tomatoes. Use a small paring knife to cut out the stem and the tough little core at the top. Flash freeze. Lay the cored tomatoes on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, giving them a little personal space so they aren't touching. Pop the sheet into the freezer for at least an hour or until they're frozen solid. Once your tomatoes are like little red rocks, transfer them to a heavy-duty freezer bag. Squeeze as much air out as you can to prevent freezer burn. Speed and simplicity. This is the undisputed champion of speed. You can get through a big batch in less than an hour. The cons? Mushy texture when thawed, and those bags can take up a ton of precious freezer real estate. Now, let's talk about canning. This is the classic, time-tested method that gives you those beautiful, gleaming jars of summer sunshine on your pantry shelves. The most critical rule? You must add acid. The magic number is 1 tablespoon of bottled lemon juice per pint jar, or 2 tablespoons per quart jar. Prepare your canner and jars. Get your big water bath canner on the stove and start heating the water. Wash your jars, lids, and rings in hot, soapy water. Cut a small X on the bottom of each tomato and drop them into boiling water for 60 seconds. Immediately scoop them out and plunge them into ice water. The skins will now slide off like magic. Pack the tomatoes into jars, add your lemon juice, and leave a ½ inch of headspace at the top. Wipe the jar rims and screw on the ring until it's fingertip tight. Lower your jars into the canner. For raw packed tomatoes in quart jars, plan on about 85–90 minutes. Shelf-stable, better texture, ready to go. But it's time-consuming and requires specific equipment. For time and effort, freezing wins, no contest. For equipment cost, freezing wins again. For the final product, canning gives you a more versatile tomato. My advice? You don't have to pledge allegiance to just one, I do both. Both freezing and canning are fantastic ways to capture that incredible, fresh-from-the-garden tomato flavor. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you on Team Freeze or Team Can? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.